Racing just is started. There is spill. Jackie Ismael Perucho nahilat left unseated on top of horse reward for effort. We have Dandino by about 2 lengths. Sweet Lorky in second. Moving up on the outside is Windy Wind. New Down comes next. Down on the inside is Seeing Lorky. Senorita Alessi comes next. El Bimbo. Salvatore while just in time is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Dandino by about 3 lengths. Windy Wind in second. Down into the Sweet Lorky. Seeing Lorky comes next. New Dome then followed over by Senorita Alessi. Just in time comes next. Then followed over by El Bimbo while Salvatore is now running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn, we have Dandino maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Trying to get closer in second is Windy Wind. Sweet Lorky is down in third. Seeing Lorky is down on the inside. And on the outside now is just in time New Dawn. And they are now entering the home stretch. 2 runners fighting out for the lead. Dandino and on the outside is Windy Wind. 2 runners are fighting out for the lead. We have Windy Wind now takes command. Dandino draws back in second. Moving up on the outside just in time. And finally it's going to be Windy Wind close between just in time Dandino. Then comes Seeing Lorky. Close finish New Dawn and Sweet Lorky.
All right, there was an incident.